You know what today is. It's Wednesday, hump day, and Shanae's got another list. As always, viewer discretion is strongly advised. You know, Hurricane Irma, she came in like a wrecking ball. Tonight's list are the top 5 things Hurricane Irma brought that will make you think of your last hump day. Number 5, evacuation. Number 4, limbs going everywhere. Number 3, power surges. Hey! Number 2, she brought them big storms when she shifted from east to west, like you did last night. And the number 1 thing Hurricane Irma brought that will make you think of your last hump day is flooding. Enough said. Hey, there you have it. The top 5 things Hurricane Irma brought that will make you think of your last hump day. Go forth and multiply. Happy hump day from me, Shanae.